This is Rocco, Oricia. It's a fort, like a castle, on top of a big hill. And I'm on a little walking trail. And look at the view from up here. It's fantastic. And then you've got this, some old ruin, and looks like someone's building a condo on top or something. But let's walk around, show you the view. The road up here was crazy. Like a steep road would be 7-8 degree grade. The road was 20 degree grade. A little trail here. But unfortunately, the castle was closed today. How rude of them. So those rows, those are olive trees. And I'll show you something on the ground here. These are poppies. They're kind of orange. Apparently they were sort of peaked a couple of weeks ago, but there's still this odd one around. I don't think we're going in there. I think that's as far as we're going to go. One last look at the castle.